Now head over to your YouTube search bar and search for Stanzo. Alright, so this my guy's channel here would appear, and you have to go ahead and visit his channel. Okay, you'll also be getting the link to his channel now in this video's description box. Okay, so click on the link and come over here now and click on subscribe. Then click on this bell notification icon here and click on all. Alright, so once you have done that, go down to the comment section right now and you write a nice comment with the giveaway code subscribed. Okay, so the first 50 persons to do this now, I'll be sending them 50 cents each by today or tomorrow. Okay, also make sure that you add your USDT BEP20 address to your YouTube account so that it will be more easier for me to copy your address and send you your payment. Okay, so good luck guys and watch to the end. Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Emmanuel airdrop. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start mining BNB on Trust Wallet with this BNB mining site with the name TikTok BNB Miner. Okay, so guys, you'll be getting the link to this site now in this video's description box. Okay, so before I show you how to sign up, I am going to first of all place a live withdrawal here in front of everyone. Okay, you can see here that I have been able to mine over 1.378355 BNB right here on this site, and here on my Trust Wallet account I currently have about 0.21253815 BNB. Okay, that is here on my Trust Wallet account. Okay, and now I am going to go back to the BNB mining site and I am going to be placing a live withdrawal there. Okay, so here we are now on the site again guys. I am going to be placing live withdrawal here right now in front of everyone. Okay, now let's see if the site is paying. Okay, that is, let's see if it is still paying. Okay, so I'm just going to click on withdraw BNB right now. All right, and I'm just going to click approve, and you can see here transaction sent. All right, and let's wait for the confirmation. Okay, and it says here transaction confirmed. Okay, so now let's head over to my Trust Wallet account again. Let me open this portfolio, and you see here now that I now have about 1.5217 BNB here in my Trust Wallet account. Okay, so you have confirmed it here guys that this BNB mining site is 100% legit and it is paying. Okay, so guys, now I am going to show you all how to start mining BNB right now using this BNB mining site. Okay, you can see here that I have already started mining another BNB right here now. Okay, so in order for you to sign up guys, once you click the link in this video's description box, you'll be taken to this web page guys, and now you have to go ahead and copy out this link right here now. Okay, just go ahead and copy out this link by clicking on copy, and once you have copied out the link, go ahead and open your Trust Wallet account this way. All right, open your Trust Wallet, and once you have opened your Trust Wallet account guys, you have to follow these steps. Okay, so please make sure that you top up your Binance Smart Chain account on Trust Wallet. Okay, because you're using BNB to buy your miner on this BNB mining site. Okay, it is not a free site. Okay, so guys, the next thing here now is that you have to click on browser or dApps here, then go ahead and paste the link which you had copied right here. All right, and once you have done that, click enter this way and you'll be taken to the TikTok BNB miner site. All right, so once you have been brought to this page guys, the first thing you have to do here now is that you have to click on these you have to click on this place now. Okay, then change your network to Smart Chain, that is BNB Smart Chain. Okay, so once you have done that, go ahead and click on connect to connect your wallet. Okay, then once I've done that, click on this button right here now to refresh your page. Okay, click on these three dotted icons here and click on refresh, or reload to reload the page, and your wallet would be connected to the site immediately. Okay, so that's just how easy it is to sign up right here on this site. Okay, so now the next thing you have to do here now in order for you to start mining here is that you have to go ahead and deposit some BNB in order for you to use the BNB and buy your mining power or your miners. Okay, so like I said earlier, it is not a free site. You have to deposit in order for you to start mining. Okay, so any amount of BNB that you deposit here, guys, be getting 10% of it every single day. Okay, so that's just how it is. Okay, so now let's take, for example, now that you put in something like 1 BNB. Now let's check 10% of 1 BNB. That will be getting you 0.1 BNB every single day for 10 days. That would have gotten you 1 BNB. Within 20 days, that would have gotten you 2 BNB, and within 30 days here, that would have gotten you 3 BNB. Okay, so when investing, please always invest at your own risk and invest what you can always afford to lose. Okay, I am not a financial advisor. Okay, so let me say, for example, now you invest that 1 BNB here, and within 100 days, guys, that will be making you about 10 BNB here for just investing 1 BNB. Okay, so any amount of BNB that you put in here, you'll be getting 10% of it every single day. Okay, and you can withdraw at any time. Okay, so now to you can see here that by the I bought some miners there, and that is about 1,845 miner. And in case you want to buy miners, come over here and then enter the amount of BNB which you want to use and buy miners here. Okay, so let me use 0.1 BNB this time. Okay, then click on higher miners. All right, you can see here that this BNB that I'm about to deposit now is worth over $29. Okay, so the next thing here now is to click approve, and that's all. Once you have done that, the BNB that you sent or you invested here will be exchanged to miners. Okay, so now let me refresh my page, and you see here that I now have over 2,620 miners right here. Okay, and my mining speed here has just increased. Okay, and I am not mining this is my mining speed. Okay, this is now my mining speed. Okay, so that's just how the system works. Okay, so you can withdraw whenever you want to withdraw, and there is no minimum withdrawal, and also there is no withdrawal limit. Okay, you can withdraw anytime you want to withdraw, and don't forget that you have to invest what you can always afford to lose, because I am not a financial advisor. Okay, but any amount of BNB that you invested, you'll be getting 10% of it every single day. That is every 24 hours. Okay, so now in case you want to earn more BNB here, guys, you can come down here and you can start inviting your friends, and they have the level 1, level 2, and the level 3 referrals. Okay, so when your level 1 referral makes an investment here, guys, you'll be getting 5%. When your level 2 referral here makes an investment here, you'll be getting 4%, and when level 3 referral makes an investment here, you'll be getting 3%. Okay, so share link to your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, and any social network you prefer. Okay, and whenever they make a deposit, you're making a whole lot of money from them. Okay, so guys, I guess that's just it for this video. Okay, so by the way, to get a ref link, click on this copy link button here now to copy your link, and you can start inviting your friends. Okay, so that's just how to make money from this referral system. Okay, and by the way, my BNB is still mining here. It doesn't stop. Okay, and you can withdraw anytime you want to withdraw. You can come back here now and withdraw whenever you want to withdraw. Okay, so that's the best part of this site. There is no minimum withdrawal, and also there is no withdrawal limit. Okay, so I guess that's just it for this video. Okay, so if you found this my video helpful, guys, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, also make sure that your notification bell is turned on. Okay, so whenever I post a new video here, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay well, guys, and God bless. Peace out. My BNB is still here, and the platform is currently legit. Okay, the BNB went down because I invested around 0.1 BNB, and that is why I now have 1.4220574 BNB. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, you all guys, and God bless. Peace out.